Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Hobbs, and we're getting ready to do handwriting together. You'll need a space where you can stand up and have plenty of room around you because we'll be writing the letters in the air. And you'll also need a desk or a table where you can stand up straight or sit up straight while you write. Your table or desk should be a little bit taller than your elbows so that you can rest your arms on your writing area while you write. We don't want to do this activity laying down or sitting on the floor. Before we get started, you need to set up your writing supplies. You'll need your handwriting book, your pencil, your eraser, and your colors. If you need to pause this video to get that set up, go ahead and pause it and then push play when you're ready to begin. We'll be using the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, the rainbow colors. If you don't already have those colors set out on your table or desk, you can pause the video and get them set up now. On your pencil, it's helpful to have a pencil grip or a rubber band placed down at the bottom so that you can practice putting your fingers in the proper position while we write. Once you have everything set up, you can stand up away from your table or desk because we're going to start by making the letter in the air with our bodies. Hi, first grade. This is Mrs. Hobbs, and we are going to work on making the letter C today. So we're going to start by doing it with our body. First, you need to figure out if you're right-handed or if you're left-handed. If you can't remember, go get a pencil or a marker and put it in your hand to help you figure out which hand is your writing hand. And you can have an adult help you with that as well. So you don't have to be holding your pencil right now. I'm going to hold mine though. If I am right-handed, I'm going to put my right hand up, pointing to the right corner. If I'm left-handed, I'm going to cross my left hand over and point to the right corner. So whichever hand you use, point up to the right. It's very important to use the hand that you always write with. So I'm going to start up here in the corner. I'm going to say the Clever Cat poem as I'm making this shape. Ready? Curve around, clever cat, space to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. If I'm left-handed, it looks like this. I'm going to cross my arm over. Curve around, clever cat, space to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Now we're going to go back and make the shape again, but we're going to practice saying the sound that C makes. So I feel it in my throat and it goes k, k, k. So we're going to make that sound as we make the shape. Okay, everybody put your pencil hand up in the right corner, like this or like this. Ready? All right, good job. Now we're ready to try writing the letter C. I'm going to read through the poem one more time. Then we're going to practice with our colors and then practice with our pencil, and then you are going to try to make 5 C's all by yourself. So put your finger at the top where you see the word curve, and we're going to start reading. Curve round clever cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. So we're going to start by rainbow writing, and I'm going to start with the color red. So you should have your colors all ready to go. And put my cap on top if I'm using a marker. And I am going to start at the top right here by her eye, and I am going to make one giant motion, and then I take my marker off the page. So it starts like this. Curve around clever cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin, and I stop. You'll see that I made the letter C. I'm going to put my cap back on my marker if I have a marker. Listen for the click so your marker won't get sick is what we say in my class. And then Next, get out your orange.
Next color, put the cap on top if it's a marker. And we're going to do the same thing. Curve around Clever Cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. You take your marker off, close the cap. Remember, I'm going to go fast. So open your yellow or get your yellow out. Have your yellow ready. Start at the top. Curve around Clever Cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Okay, close your marker, listen for the click. Get your next color. We're going to use green. So get your green. Put your cap on top of its marker. Start at the top. Curve around Clever Cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Take your color off. Close your marker. Put it down. Now we're going to do blue. Open your cap, put it on top. Get ready. Curve around Clever Cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Mine's a little dry. I'll fix it later. Close your marker. And the last one we'll do together is purple. So get your purple ready. Use your triangle grip. And start at the top. Curve around Clever Cat's face to begin, then gently tickle her under her chin. Close your marker or put your color down. And we are done with rainbow writing. You'll see I did not color. I didn't spend time coloring in the C. I just wrote the letter C and stopped. Now we are going to move on to our pencil. So we have these larger C's that we are going to trace with our pencil. There's a dotted line on top and a solid line on the bottom. These are short letters. We don't need a top line right now. We're gonna touch the dotted line and touch the bottom line. So I'm using my pencil that has a rubber band at the bottom. I'm gonna work on using my triangle grip. I'm gonna use my thumb, my pointer finger, my middle finger, and they should all be touching down here at the bottom of the color of your pencil. So for me, it's the bottom of the yellow. I put a rubber band here to make sure my fingers are in the right spot. So practice that triangle pencil grip. And then I'm going to start here and I'm gonna trace it. I'm gonna start at the top, touch the bottom line and stop. You won't be able to see it because it blends in with the black. Let's do the next one. Come up, touch the dotted line, touch the bottom line and stop. And then we'll try the next one. And then we'll try the next one. And then start at the top, come down to the bottom, okay? And then I do the ones that are dotted. So I'm gonna try to stay on that dotted line. I'm gonna start at the dot and go up, down, and stop. Okay, do you still have the triangle pencil grip? Check your fingers, move them back in this position. Let's practice using the triangle grip while we write, even if it feels kind of funny. Okay, we're going to start here, come up and touch the dotted line, come down and touch the bottom line and stop. Then try the third one. And then try the fourth one. And then try the fifth one. Okay, now we are ready to try 5 all by yourself. So it's important that you only do 5 of them. That way, if we make a mistake or we need to fix things, we still have some room to make more. So I am going to make 5 of my very best C's that are going to be touching the dotted line and touching the bottom line. So I'm gonna start, you can start on the line or you can start a little bit below. So I'm gonna come up and touch the top, come down, touch the bottom line, and stop. Now I'm going to show you some non-examples before I keep going. So this is what we don't want to do. And my class always has fun pointing these out. So We don't want one that's floating in the middle. My class calls this a floater. It's not touching the top, it's not touching the bottom. So we don't want that one. And then sometimes people make them way too big and they come down below the bottom line. We don't want that one. And then sometimes people make them huge like that. That's a capital size, and we're working on lowercase size right now. And then sometimes people just have them touching the bottom line, but going a little bit above. Don't want that one. And then sometimes we accidentally make them backwards. And if you notice it's backwards, we'll need to fix that one too. So I'm crossing these out. These are all the things we don't want to do. So while we are making our C's, we're going to focus on one, making them all correctly. So touch the top line, touch the bottom line, and stop. Okay, I have two. All right, look, watch this one and you tell me with a thumbs up or a thumbs down, is this one correct? Thumbs up correct, thumbs down, I need to fix it. Most first graders would say that's a thumbs down, it's a floater, I need to erase it and fix it. If you notice that you have one you need to fix, just get your eraser out and fix it. All right, what about this one? Thumbs up, that's correct, or thumbs down, I need to fix it. It is a thumbs down. I need to erase it. It was way too big, and I need to put it on the line like that. And the last one, what do you think? Thumbs up correct, or thumbs down, I need to fix it? This one is backwards. This C was backwards, so I am going to erase it and fix it. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am done making my own. I will make no more unless my teacher asks me to. If you want, you can write your name nicely at the bottom of the paper. I'm focusing on making sure my fingers touch the rubber band. I'm working on my pencil grip. I don't always touch it in the right place. Okay, and that is how we make the Clever Cat letter C.
If you like, you can now try working on the letter C phonics page, but please do not work ahead in the handwriting book. Please wait for tomorrow to do the next letter with me so that we don't make any mistakes and have to redo it. All right, good job. We'll work again tomorrow.